Easy
Ta-da.
peasy mac and cheesy.
Lemon squeezy.
Oh.
Did you not watch Mickey Mouse Clubhouse enough?
Oh, I guess not.
But I like mac and cheesy.
Yeah.
Okay, that works. Fine.
All right. Welcome to Highway 30. I'm Amy.
And I'm Sarah, and we're here to help you get creative.
This week we've had some beautiful weather.
We have. It's been gorgeous.
Yeah.
Not today.
No. It is nasty out there today.
Yeah.
So it's a perfect day to do a craft. We're going to grab our box 277 today. Look in the description box below and you can grab this box and get crafting with us.
Yeah, we're excited. This is a very fun one. So we have 2 teenage girls. They're very into the boho style right now.
So this is a special request from them for us to do something that they can use in their rooms.
We're making magnets.
Yes. And a little throwback to some decoupage.
Decoupage.
Yeah, I'm pretty excited.
Samesies. Ongoing, we will have some other videos, including maybe a tour of some sort.
Oh yeah.
Later.
We can do a tour.
All inspired by this one craft. You ready?
I'm ready. Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Start smart.
All right, so
What are we doing?
take a round thing and then,
Oh, we're starting.
yeah.
Okay. See if we get inspired over here now.
Almost like it's the same.
It's almost.
Sorry.
It's very close to the same.
On the other side.
I'm gonna go right here.
Okay.
Done.
You want little scissors? Or big scissors?
I'm the big sister.
Oh, my name's on that one.
Oh, well, then you use this.
Since we're gonna paint them white, they don't have to be perfect. Because I'm
That's
pretty
good.
sure it just kind of disappears. Or it doesn't disappear.
I know what you mean. It melts into it.
I like it. I think that'll be a good one. Bloop.
It's so billowy.
Did you get my joke in the Valentine's video when we were painting the black edge?
Remind me.
So we're painting along the edge and the music went different and it was like dun dun.
Oh, edgy.
Dun, 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 dun. Yeah.
I did get that.
Well, it was, do you know what the song was?
No.
That makes a difference. Yeah, it was In Sync because we were so in sync.
We were in sync. Okay. Now I'm gonna go back and watch it. I think I'm being a little more careful than you, Amy.
Probably. This it washes off pretty good. Your fingers are gonna get messy.
Yeah.
Just enjoy. Probably just gonna do one side at a time and
Leave some
dry, and then it's gonna take a couple of coats. I think.
thumb spots.
dries really quick.
It does dry really quick. Very soaky, any.
Right, it's glossy time. So glossy, glossy.
So glossy.
They sound like,
Oh, checkers.
yeah, or Othello, remember that?
Oh yeah, that was a fun game.
Want to play?
Mm-hmm.
We should totally get it out in a minute.
We should totally get it out.
Do I know where it is? Do I have it?
I don't have it.
I think I must.
I have upwards. Remember that one?
Anything with spelling.
Yeah. Oh no, yeah.
It looks like we just painted the leaves on.
We did. I mean, we could have.
Yeah, we totally
We didn't, but we could have. Just saying.
Oh, this is so much fun.
It smells good too.
Oh, I know.
It's pretty cool.
It's very cool.
And they're gonna be shiny, which I love.
I mean, I act like I've never decoupaged anything before, but
It's been a while.
I know. I was probably a kid.
It's all fresh new again. Yeah.
And instead of decoupaging one of those cardboard jewelry boxes, I
Exactly.
knew something that I want to use.
Cardboard jewelry box. I remember those.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Ooh, ah.
Nice. All right, are we on?
We're on.
Okay. Got glue and
These crazy things.
magnets. It's easier to slide them apart and set them way far away from each other. And I don't think, let me check, I don't think they have a right or wrong side. Yeah, they work either way.
Okay.
I don't think they work either way if you're attaching them to each other.
Right.
As seen in the Christmas countdown video.
Yes. Crazy magnets.
I think we kind of hid that from the camera.
We did.
Or we
They
edited
were-
that out.
There were magnets flying. Ta-da! It's officially been 15 seconds and we're done.
It's been 15 seconds since we did the intro. Da-da-dum, da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. I'm not
Now
as
we're
cute.
ready to show it to you.
Before. Well, that was a lot of fun.
That was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Super easy, but super cute. Yeah, that's our word.
I love it.
These are great.
I can't tell you how much fun we
Yeah.
had to, it's throwback to this decoupage thing.
She likes that word decoupage.
Decoupage.
I think the girls are gonna really like these.
Come in. Come in. Oh.
Aww, so cute.
You like them?
Yes.
I love those.
Hey, everything you ever imagined.
Do I
They're
get to use them?
absolutely gorgeous.
They're yours.
Yes.
They're for me.
Yes. Thank you.
We actually have our video coming up next week where we're going to show you some different ideas that, you know, you don't just put a magnet on a refrigerator anymore.
A magnet is not just a magnet.
No, it's not.
It's more than a magnet.
More than a refrigerator magnet.
I was going to sing again, but
Thanks for joining us on this rainy day to do a craft.
see you next time.
Till next time. You're welcome.
Go on and on.
Okay, they're so gorgeous. I love their circular form.
Yes.
Okay.
That's it.
Yeah, you like the palm fronds?
Yes,
Yeah.
it has a beautiful pattern on it.
That
Okay.
is not looking all like
Yes,
this.
it
A
is
napkin.
It is.
How did you do that?
They're
Yes.
very boho.
Oh, they
yay.
are?
Score.
Yes.
So glad they got that.
Oh yeah, totally. So
Awesome.
boho.
These magnets are for you.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
Love you.